you turning me on, the way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on.
Like, I was not able to get my stuff together, and now I am trying to scurry to get my contacts in and my makeup done for this wedding that's supposed to start at 12 o'clock. But hopefully, we are relying on the fact that brides are always late, so hopefully she's late. So I'll catch you back soon. So this is the best I could do in like 2 seconds. Let's go. I'm gonna be wearing the shoes that I have not worn at all, and hopefully I can walk in them, but I'm gonna wear the shoes with my dress. Hopefully you guys see the dress later on in life, but now I'm going to rush into this wedding. I'll show you little snippets of the rest of the day if I don't get to talk to you guys. Yeah.
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know